Good evening. Today I'm going to discuss why IIT. Right? So a class 12 student ने ये सवाल has asked this question कि there's no advantage of studying in IIT. This doing IIT has no advantage, कोई फायदा नहीं होता. Uh, it's not worth the hard work, right? एंड फॉरेन में डिग्री चाहिए तो मैं ये वाली पॉइंट मैं लास्ट में कवर करूंगा फॉरेन का डिग्री क्योंकि ये हाईलाइट है कि आईटी कैसे बेटर है किसी भी दुनिया का कहीं से भी ओके सो पहले मेरे बारे में वहाँ मैं एग्रीकल्चर एंड फूड इंजीनियरिंग फ्रॉम आईआईटी खड़गपुर आई वर्क एट श्रेष्ठ आई कॉल माई सेल्फ आर्किटेक्ट ऑफ फ्यूचर वर्ल्ड वी आर इनटू बिजनेस ऑफ सेविंग ह्यूमैनिटी हम लोग वी आर लीडर इन साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी डिप्लॉइंग टेक्नोलॉजी सोल्यूशन टुडे तो हमारा today our top end clients are UK government, top 10 secure agency in UK. I can't even name them because of NDA in place, but you get an idea of what I'm talking about. You can if you look at my other clients, European Space Agency, like which Airbus Space and Defense, New York State Department, Manchester City, IFC, ESA stand for European Space Agency. It's the equivalent of NASA in European side of things. IFC is International Finance Corporation, which is like a World Bank. Top banks like investment firm and investment firms like RBS, Standard Life. So I have and they pay me a hell lot of money. Okay, so and I also work for free. Because obviously I owe to all my Indians, especially 50 plus, who have sponsored my education in IIT. So that's the reason I offer a lot of free services as well, targeted specifically towards those narrow band of people. Okay, so let's go. I will discuss my experience. कि कितना important होता है. If I did 5 jobs in my life as of now, and what role IIT played, right? So पहली बात लोग बोलते हैं IIT is not for job. Like if you're looking to do a job, IIT is not meant for doing a job. Like भाई वो दो ही रोटी खाना है तो IIT क्या क्या उखाड़ लोगे यार. It means you have to understand it is not suitable for job. Like that's it. Like you need to think about humanity. IIT means you're capable to change the world, save millions of life. Like you're a walking genius. Like most of the people I've met in my career and from IIT, man, you can't even imagine the knowledge. We can do stuff 100 times, 1,000 times. We don't talk about it because people cannot even imagine that we can improve performance by 1,000 times of stuff. That's what is the level of we are talking about, and the other side of the world. Like there's a huge difference. Like you can say the level of intelligence of an IITians compared to a non-IITians million times, millions, right? So I already covered this. So basically, let's look like does I if you look for a job. Like I was before I joined IIT, I was working as a thela puller, like tea supplier. I was earning 10 to 20,000 per month. Like thela puller is not bad. Even now, I pay 100 rupees per hour. It's not a you earn more than a engineer if you are a thela puller, right? I'm hiring even thela puller, right? 100 rupees an hour more than an engineer. I pay them. And I used to work during class 9. I started doing work seriously from 9 to 12. I was working 6 hours per day and studying 3 hours. So I was earning around 10,000 to 20 kabhi some month. After IIT, I got same salary. There was not much different, but you still do the job, technical job, to gain experience. Like I had experience at Telapula selling tea, which is not going to help me solve the problem world issues, right? So you need to gain how businesses run, because obviously to solve problem of the world, you need to have an enterprise. You have to first of all generate the money, because you need a lot of money to save the world. How do you get the money? Because you run a successful business, right? That's how you get the money, and that's how you save the world. And obviously, I didn't want it to go like any other company, just destroy the world and make them hand to mouth of living is not my style. Like that's not what IITs do. Uh, so it does. So you have to think beyond job, yes, but you still have to do a job. right? It's just to gain practical experience, to just to understand what life is. Like I had a previous experience before IIT, but not most students don't work before IIT. Like I have a huge experience. I had my experience those 4 years are very very valuable. Like I did quite a bit of thing, but most IITs doesn't have that experience, real life experience. So they need to get that real life experience. That's why it's a job is essential, but not that job is the end goal. Like earning to salary doesn't matter, right? As I said, I was earning less than what I was earning as a tailor puller. So even now it could be the same. I haven't physical work always people earn a lot of money, or they could earn money, right? Now, but think if I was a tailor puller, right? If I hadn't got, would I be needing hundred of people running company, 3 countries, have 10 plus houses, $1 million asset? How do you think I got all these things? From IIT. Like it makes a huge difference when you change. It's not from job, it's from IIT. IIT means a lot of responsibility. It's not for doing job, it means a lot of responsibility. The whole world country is looking to solve the problems. Like IIT means you are considered a different species, right? Any problem, can you solve my problem, can you solve, so it's different altogether. You have to, and you have to, the whole country is financing education. Remember that you have the responsibility. It's a huge responsibility. The whole world wants you to help them. Take COVID, right? Now COVID, we are the first who made a solution by mid-February. By Jan end, we were the first, we warned the whole world like, hey, there's a COVID coming and this millions are going to die. So we are forefront in regular problems. Yes, so we soon realized, like I'm not going to show the chart, but yeah, we soon realized that the technical doesn't work that way, because even though I had a solution, the trial doesn't run. It takes, yeah. So the last vaccine takes 10 plus years. So we went into another route. Like we still have to help the people, right? So we came up with nature. Like we came up with this. So we obviously whole February, March, we studied and studied and studied, and we came up with a solution that the only way solution viable which can be launched immediately so that it can start saving life immediately was nature and food therapy, because everybody have access to food. They can grow microgreens in 3 days even, so which obviously this way we could easily save 99%. Like it increases survival chances by without any medicine. Like obviously we are I'm still working on a trial, right, with other companies. I'm still trying to hire people, but I already launched a solution which can at least save 9. I'm trying to move that to 99.9%. Like I'm trying to save more people, but and you can see how fast we work. And this is just I'm talking about myself. And my most of the people I know from IT are similarly high thing, doing miracles in life. Right. IT also means like IT also has a wide range of people. Right? It's not whatever I talked about is for knowledgeable IT, right? IIT have students who score 5% in math, also physics, chemistry, and 95% of them. Obviously, they're not the same people, right? They cannot compare. It's 5% who scores in math and 95% in math is not the same person, right? And it's obviously why did he score 5%, right? So it's not. So we are talking about knowledgeable IITs, right? Unfortunately, IIT stand for political reason. Government has to get votes, so okay, so they have, but again, knowledgeable IIT we am talking about, which is not difficult to identify. You can, like I can know like this, whether on stuff. Like I ask 5 questions, 3 questions online, and I can immediately figure out whether you have knowledge or not, right? So it's not difficult to identify. Like if you're at knowledgeable IIT, plus many IITs degrade the skill while working. Like working is essential, but many people think that's the end of the life. No, that's not the end of the life. My battery is going down, so I'll go to other side. Okay. Right. So we were Now let me close the window, back window as well. I hope it's better. Okay. Anyway, you have seen my face, so there's nothing much to see there. So yeah, we are talking about knowledge. But so many people degrade the skill. Like many IITians also degrade the skill when they actually join IIT. Like they think the working is, and you can also see from your questions, right? Job is not what IITians are made for. Right, they're not you are the geniuses of the world. I'm not here to do a freaking job. Like, yeah, you can do a job. Like, I'm not saying if it involves saving, like if it involves saving 100 people life, yeah, I can say you can still do a job. But if it doesn't involve, I'll say 1,000 people, because obviously there are not many IITians in the world. So I will say every IITian, like if you really want to use your knowledge on your stuff, you should be targeting saving at least 1,000, like at least 10 people per month on average. That should be a target. That, we, our currency should be how many lives we save. That should be your currency. Right, let's going back to things. Like many of it degrade the skill, like thinking job is the end of the thing. Like, money, 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 without they kill. I'll talk about the, so many degrade their skills by quest of money. um, some do management. Like you're a super solid technical person, and now you go to a useless technical, degrade the skill by doing management. Like before, like that also immediately after it, within few years, you didn't even have a chance to know real life, and you're sucked into artificial life run by manager who is destroying the world. Like if those managers were really know the world, how to run the world, would the world be having so many problems? The manager is not the solution. Manager is the problem. First of all, every manager think about themselves. They don't think about the company. They don't never think about humanity. Like most, I'm not talking about all, there will be exception. They are incapable. They don't know. Even if they think about humanity, they just not capable enough to help humanity because they don't know the knowledge, right? So I call management, and plus I've automated management. Like, if you work for me, you work for AI machine. Like, I don't. Yeah, you're working under me, but I'm not. The AI manager is taking care of you, and that's why I can. Every management layer could be replaced by AI, and it will be more efficient than a manager, and without biases, without thinking about themselves and thinking about the company, right? And obviously AI is million times better than a manager. You can't replace engineer, like if you know. And right, so basically if you become a manager, you basically go into hand to mouth style of living, like either for yourself or for your company or for your, because obviously you're in a huge pressure. Like you basically loses touch of life. You're just thinking of how do I get my two rotis. That's all your life. That's it. Once you become a manager, your life is crude. Without, you cannot think beyond your two rotis. You may be getting millions, but believe me, you're not thinking beyond that two rotis. You're always just worried, oh, what will happen to my job? Oh, and obviously you're the easiest person to be thrown out because you're useless to company. You don't create any value to the company, right? Okay, so that many IITs become a manager. They aspire. IIT means one who can solve any problems. Like they know, like IIT means you can solve any problem. One who has all the answers. That's what is the expectation from an IIT. Like I get questions like you, um, anything, pretty vague questions, right? But still we give answer to them. Again, IIT has another advantage. Like you are hired immediately. You don't have to prove anything that you know stuff. If you're not hired, it's mostly because you have too many options. Because if some company will not hire you, like most IITians I hired never joined me actually. Like so you have to prove, and that's the same every company has the same complaint with IITians. Like they never join because means obviously they need to learn this. Obviously they're keeping option. I don't know why, but okay. I'll talk about more about like first job. Obviously this was campus recruitment. cracked the aptitude, and the discussion was what I did as a general secretary sport, what strategy I used to bring the so many points and become in the top category of sports in IIT. How did I manage that? That's what the whole discussion all about. Second job, Canbay, they were after me for months, like, join us. We had meeting every time the HR used to come. This to call for meeting and drinks, and and so that's eventually, and my things were, I said it was not going anywhere, so I said okay, let's try another thing, because it was already, I don't move companies so easily, you can see. So I tried, but again this company had a problem, like it was too much, they didn't have project, and they were settling too many times, and I never wanted to go to US that time. I had the problem, I start my own something. It's third job. I went to US. This was into US. I went there, and he was an Indian who took me into IIT. Now the whole discussion was changed. When can I join? Why should I? This is very good project. You can change everything. Like he's trying to convince me to join them. Fourth job, like okay, this is the job. But again, you're right, right? So took a vague IIT test. Like I'm going to describe some architecture, right? Vague. US style, right? Vague thing. Anyway, being an IITian, we answer to any questions. So we gave them answer, and they liked it very much. And how did you come with such a brilliant architecture and blah 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 blah, and right, that's how. Fifth one, I eventually quit. Like obviously US is not was it has a lot of restriction. Obviously it says H1B, and obviously working is obviously no, and it was mature enough that I had enough knowledge, worked for 50 companies, looked all across the two major companies industries, and so I knew a lot. So I started my venture of saving humanity. I've already put the legwork before that, right? So we started that. Obviously saving humanity is more important. If you want to do something, and it doesn't matter, right? If you want to do anything and have no, again, IIT is gives you a lot of brand value, instant job like this, but like again, I have to convince IIT why they have to work. Like so, no only video I made when I'm hiring people. Like, why should you work for Swiss? Because nobody wants to work for Swiss, right? IIT is in a too much high demand. So if you want to do anything, have knowledge doesn't really matter. IIT means knowledge of science is what at the end of the day, this is what matters. You may excel by doing something. I'll have talk about you may excel, but at the end, what does matter is yes, you should be master. Like this is what it really matters in life. If you are master in science or technology or not, like technology can be used to save life or kill life, including your own. So your technology, if you don't know proper technology science, like if you're just like surface knowledge, or like you could use technology, hey, this is good technology, let's use it, without understanding why to use, how to use, and whether it will help humanity not. More likely if you want like, but if you don't like, you like knowledge of what life is. So science and technology is very important. At the end of the day, what matters is your knowledge of science and technology, because it is a matter of life and death. Life is very complex. Like life is very, very complex. IIT or not IIT doesn't really matter much if you have the knowledge. Like obviously IIT only Indian. I have met a lot of other people who are equally geniuses. So it's not but yeah, IIT is a different, because we identify those people. So I will take example why knowledge of science is what matters. It's a matter of life and death. Like take Steve Jobs. He was a highly successful guy, but he lacked science knowledge. Like Steve Jobs, highly successful person. He stabbed his Mac. He died horribly in like less than 50 years, probably in 50s, suffering 10, 20 years. He polluted the environment which gave him the cancer. So he was highly successful, but he lacked what life is, what life needs. He was only thing he knew was money, money, money. That's not life is. He died. His money couldn't kill. Good job. He clearly excelled in whatever he was doing, but that was not enough to save his life. Right? It doesn't matter. What matters is whether you know science and technology, not. And IIT gives you that stepping stone that you could get job like this, instant, and you can get to work in big project, good project, top like I have International Finance Corporation, World Banks, the top most clients, because obviously I was charged when I was working in USA. I was charged like $250 an hour. It's $250 an hour. Like I built $1 million in a year for the company. Like that's the value, like how much? $250 an hour. That's what I was working 7 years. My company charged for me 7 years. Sometimes I used to work 80 hours a week because obviously there was so much work because nobody else could have done it. Okay, as promised, I will come to foreign degree chahiye. So I will suggest you watch this video. This is a summary of that. IIT is equal to, like, what I have the link, I'll paste the link in the video. IIT is equal to Harvard, Princeton, MIT put together, and even then they don't come close together. You watch the video, you will understand what it means, right? Anything which these university, forget about anything I'm talking about, Harvard, MIT, any of these engineers are doing, right? We can do it 10 times better. 10 times better. Any project they're doing, we can save 10 times better, efficient, faster, efficient. So that's what IIT mean. And again, don't get me wrong, you could be knowledgeable without going to IIT. At the end, what really matter is science and knowledge. Yeah, my English is very weak, so don't worry about I'm horrible in English. So yeah, you can nitpick, but English, I think, is a communication tool, not, I think, so there'll be a lot of spelling mistake. I could have run with a spell check again, which is run by AI, right? I could use any of this spell check, but I didn't. It's not required, right? What requires is the communication mechanism. So I hope you understood what IIT means. Like, okay, so another thing is mostly why foreign people go to foreign universities, because they get reservation, like USA, because they get reservation, like there's a 20% reservation for H1B, and that's why they get the job, because obviously Indians are very smart, right? Even if not IIT and IIT, and it's not bad, right? They are the second best, right? So Indians are very smart. They want to go to US, so there is no H1B available. So once you do US university, you get a reservation 20% in the same concept like which in India. It's not that you're better, you just have the reservation system. So that's the main reason why US people go to, and it's mostly for migration, not for, and it's good for average student, right? If you're an average student, it makes sense, right? Why you want to, you will earn 5,000 here, you will earn $50,000 there, done. As an IIT, and in US you will not really earn much if you're doing your own job, like maybe twice the average guy, right? That's it. In India, I could earn 100 times, 1,000 times, million times more than an average guy. If you're really talented, like I talk, you could save life, and every life people are ready to pay as much as you want. Obviously, we all, most of our services are available for, like our food therapy is available for free. Okay, so again, like there was another experiment. You can see the data, right? UK earlier stopped the post-work visa, they call it, from 1 to 2 years, and it increased application process by 5 times, because nobody was coming to UK, because nobody was able to get a job, because 1 year was less. Just increasing the post, so it increased so mostly people go to foreign, not that they are better university, because they just want to migrate there. So it's a migration problem, and it makes sense for an average Indian, because in India, average guy will get 5,000 to 10,000 rupees. That's it. That's the average salary of India. If you're IIT, at the minimum you will get 50,000 to 1 lakh. Like, okay, after internship, right? You might have to do internship for 10,000, right? But after internship, if you're really knowledgeable, if you're not one of those guys which degraded the knowledge, you will easily earn 50,000 to 1 lakh rupees per month. Average Indian will not earn 5,000 to 10,000 rupees per month. So obviously there's a big difference. So for an average guy, US, UK, or any foreign is very good. Not for an IIT. It means, yes, you can go there. Means you struggle. Like US life, I was really hating, because I had so much risk. I couldn't do anything. I couldn't work for another company. I couldn't get a salary rise. I couldn't get a position right. Like it was like a jail. UK, I was now in UK, but UK had a lot of freedom, so that's the reason I migrated to UK back, because UK gave me a lot more freedom, and and obviously they are benefiting a lot from. Obviously, as you can see, my top clients are UK government now. we make them so powerful. Anyway, I hope you had a reason why you wanted IIT. Means IIT is not for job, it's more than that. Okay, chalo, thank you, talk to you later, bye.